I bet you didn't know your cat keeps score. When a new kitten arrives, jealousy looks a lot like tiny war. I walk in and the kitten launches for my lap, full purr, full trust. Old-timer pads over, unimpressed, rubbing against my leg. Like, remember me? They circle, squabble over my attention. Nose boops become power moves, tail flicks turn tactical. I'm the prize and somehow the referee. I scoop up both, give equal cuddles, and suddenly the truce holds. Shared warmth wins. If tensions spike, separate, play, then reintroduce gently. Love doesn't split. Sometimes it just needs a little negotiation.